Yo Mad Cat, I'm at Buc-Ees in Warner Robins here. Let's check it out. What's better than a basket full of Buc-ee rabbits? More Buc-ee shirts. This is quite good. This place is packed. I'm looking for a t-shirt for my dad. Oh, how you doing? Here we go. Your dad like that shirt. Red shirt there. Give him a 3X. I think he'll like that. These are my size. Didn't realize my camera's still on. I'm videoing. This place is huge. World famous beef jerky grill. Look at here. A giant Buc-ee. Check out this giant Buc-ee right there. What's better than a truckload of Buc-ee rabbits? Summer stuff at Buc-Ees. We got swimsuits, nice t-shirts. Look at his hat.
Yeah. So like vibrant.
Oh, cool, I mean, it's awesome. What about this stuff? I think that'll fit me. Still need a Buc-ee going here. Need some carry out to-go sandwiches here. Little salads. Hey, I'm gonna get in trouble right here. Can you see behind me? Fudge. All this fudge. Ooh, yeah. And we got samples. Fudge, fudge, fudge. Edible chocolate dough bites. Nuts. Dying to go into heaven right here. Look at that.
Would you like to try one?
Sure. Thank you.
If he doesn't get there by 4, they
Are hot.
Is that really what it is?
Oh, delicious. Mmm. Fresh jerky or sausage.
Pretty big pieces. Yeah.
Crazy.
Look at this stuff. Fresh bakery stuff. Got some brisket sandwiches here. Pulled pork, beaver chips, barbecue turkey sandwiches, sausage down here, chicken sandwiches, briskets, sandwiches. I'm gonna watch them all day, chop up that brisket. It is crowded here. Let me show you how crazy this place is. This place is packed. It's Saturday around noon, and I tell you, the parking lot is filled. People get gas. Gas is $3.58. Average in South Carolina right now is $3.86. So I got a good deal on gas. Getting some good food here. Check out how crazy. Check out how crowded this place is. This place is packed. Hey, check out these Easter shirts.
You ever had those?
Yeah. Well, this is something new. Milk chocolate beaver nuggets. Wow. All the sugar you need right there. Alright, so world's cleanest, world famous bathrooms right there. Plus being a Buc-Ees and everything else, they have a complete gas station full of stuff. everything you need right here. Look at that charcoal. Water. And I'm on the far side of the building right here. Everything you need is right here. Alright, one more thing for Buc-Ees. Now we've done inside Buc-Ees. You know Buc-Ees has everything. Here's one thing I would never buy because I'd probably kill me. Right there. Sweet and spicy ghost pepper sauce. Ain't no way. Well, look at here. A taco reaper sauce. Even scorpion reaper sauce. No way. Oh, watch this. A Carolina reaper sauce. No way. Well, nah. Geoman Cat, yeah, I'm done on shopping in Buc-Ees here in Warren Robins. Let's check out what I got. Got two nice t-shirts here. Got this one from my dad. I got this one from my dad too. Got a little snack pack here. Got pretzels and cheese and sausage in it. Got a box of K-Cups, 12 K-Cups, $6. That is cheap. It's like $10 for a box of K-Cups now. I'm getting me some snacks in here. Got me a pecan pie. Some sandwiches and stuff, and a sliced brisket sandwich here. Head back on the road. All right, gas is $3.58 today. Today is the 5th of March, and it's about noon. And check it out. All these gas pumps are full. $3.58, Warren Robins, Georgia. This is Geoman Cat, and I'm out of here.